In this video, I want to quickly explain something very interesting about Animate nodes. Animate nodes allow you to map information or values to move assets or objects in Badvisor. For example, let's look at this scene where I have an object and want to animate my camera. As always, I will open my camera node and add an Animate node. I rename the Animate node as my default position, and because I don't need more frames for this, I will just set it to 1. Then, I will proceed to map the rest position. Disable mapping. Having your rest position like this can be helpful when you, for instance, have this node connected to the onStart node. I minimize the node and leave it here for now. Then, I can add a second Animate node. I will also rename it. I will position my camera to the new position and map the new values. Before mapping, I want to change the duration for the frames and push the bar till the end. In this way, you can map your values directly to the exact frame. Alright, now that I have the first position, I can disable mapping, open the rest position and duplicate the node. I am going to change the duration of the frames to 30 and push the frames till the end. This will be now my animated reset camera position. If we click on Start, the camera will move from A to B, but the transition is very flat and not so interesting. We can improve this by using the ease animations. I will quickly duplicate the Animate node and add some of the ease animations. This time I will use in and out with Quintic. For the next tutorial, we will dive deeper into what each interpolation do. There are more options such as curve, linear, cubic, etc. Now we can play both animations and compare the different transitions. Here is another example where perhaps you can notice the transition even better. Hope you enjoyed the video and thank you for watching.